July 1st is 181, which is 59 below normal. There were no...
Here we go.
This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville-Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting from the Iredell County Emergency Communications Tower located near Mooresville on a frequency of 162.525 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Cabarrus, Catawba, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Iredell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, and Rowan. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate.
Well, that was KHC27's test. Let's go take a look at how my radios were with WNG538, KHC27, and WXL70.
Which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 0, which is normal. The yearly total since January. And receivers performance on rolling receivers between 11 a.m. and noon, between 11 a.m. and noon.